Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you don't miss out on any videos. Zodwa Wabantu submit herself to Africa Rehabilitation Center. We have learned that Zodwa Wabantu has decided to take a step ahead. Finally, she has had enough of boozing alcohol. She took to social media and posted a video informing fans that she is handing herself over to Africa Rehabilitation Center. Shout out to Zodwa Wabantu, guys. Here is the video that she posted on her IG. Enjoy.
Good morning, guys. Dokotela, yazileta kuwe Haywood Medical Center. I'm fucking tired. And another thing, I think I'm coming for the rehab for alcohol. Ngihlezi ngidakwa doctor thinking cartel. I'm a drug zona. Angifake emakhaleni, but I'm there to learn about the rehab. Africa Rehab Center is in Durban, is confidential. I'm coming to explore. Please guys, Durban friends, don't call me. It's my journey. I'm tired. But I'm coming to Durban to relax. Dr. Haywood Medical Center, I'm on my way. I'm fucking tired. I'm fucking tired.